Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous two-owner 1969 Dodge Charger. I got the owner Rick here. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are you today, Rick?
How you doing?
Cool.
21 years I own this car. It's an original car. It's matching number drivetrain all the way through. It's an original car.
440, right?
It's a 440 Magnum, 375 horse. I had the engine rebuilt in 2014.
It had a little over 89,000 miles when you rebuilt it.
Yes.
Previous owner was a woman. And they took the whole thing apart and they looked at the crank. They didn't even need a crank, right?
No. Crank was
Baby.
brand new. Brand new.
Super straight body, beautiful fitment of all the panels.
No body bondo. All skin coated just to get the lines right.
So all original metal.
All metal.
Beautiful.
Oh, undercoating on the underneath with 3M undercoating plus primer first.
Yep.
New leaf springs in the back.
Super straight body. God. Got tons of receipt, including the broadcast sheet.
Yes.
It's like one of my favorite cars. Right? And it's not really white, it's more like ivy.
Yeah, it's almost like cream, right?
Cream. And it
Women
goes.
calls it Alpine white, and Dodge calls it W31. But if you tell somebody W31, they go, what does that mean? So it's Alpine white.
Yeah. Beautiful roof, that was redone. Interior's all original. Except for the carpet probably, right? And the headliner?
Yes. Lift the seat up this way they see it's not ripped or anything. Yeah. This is all original interior. Original dashboard, steering wheel, console. All original. This car came with seat belts. Ralph Nader. He wanted...
Yeah, with the Corvair, right?
Yeah. He went after Corvair and he went after the Charger. Because it's a race car, so they had to put seatbelts in. Nobody sees seatbelts in a 69 car.
Man, I barely touched the key. Beautiful.
Tick-tock-tack.
So it's got 100,228 miles. Tick-tock-tack. You actually added that. It's pretty cool. It's one of my favorite things.
It's an upgrade.
Yeah.
That's all.
Custom stereo. He's got the original. Man, this thing is amazing.
All LED lighting in the car. Interior and exterior.
Yeah, I saw your backup lights too. And he's got high-powered LED headlights as well. Man, only original once. That seatbelt with the tag on it. Amazing. They did a nice job at the headliner.
Yep. Vinyl Works did it in Ron Cocker.
Oh, those guys are the best.
Yeah.
Amazing. Let's check out under the hood.
Okay.
Man. Yes.
I did bolt-on upgrades. They're all bolt-ons. You can bring it back to original and have all the parts if that's what you want.
Yep. So we did electronic ignition.
Yes, MSD.
MSD. It's got the original upstairs, which I saw. It's got the original intake manifold. It's got the original air cleaner. It's got the original valve covers. Man, she is clean.
Brake booster was replaced.
Yep, I have the receipt for that. I saw that.
I put a upgraded exact OEM Powermaster Alternator on here, so it's 90 amps.
Oh, good. So here's the tag. Shows all the options. W31's the paint. We'll break that down for you. Got an electric fan on it.
Manually operated. When you need it, you use it.
Yeah.
switch underneath.
Otherwise, she runs beautiful. Man, super straight body. Sounds good too. What kind of exhaust?
Borla exhaust, stainless steel Borla mufflers. Competition race mufflers. Obviously, they're not original. Even the tips on these exhausts are original.
Wow. Correct oval tips.
Original glass on the car. Glass was never replaced.
You know, I noticed how they roll up so nice too.
Yeah, they work
Look
well.
at the fitment on this trunk. You never see that. Original gas cap. Beautiful shape.
I cheated. I painted the black in here.
Oh, looks good.
It's not original there.
Cool. I love how you put the little notes on here.
Meticulously kept.
Yeah, you ain't kidding. This thing is beautiful. Only original one.
Never again.
Crazy. You don't see him like this.
I like the real deal. This is the real deal.
So, can you pop the hideaways? Turn the headlights on. And this way you can see he's got high intensity LED lights. Nice and bright. You know, the T3s, they were really terrible. And then you did backup lights too, right?
Yes, I did.
Put it in reverse. There you go. Wow, nice and bright. Man, that exhaust sounds fantastic. Let's go for a ride.
Okay.
Man, it's very cool how the seat belts connect there in the rear. Man, I can't believe these seats are original.
Yes.
Oh, and I see how you
Console,
got
everything.
LEDs inside too.
The only LEDs that have not been changed is the instrument panel. That's it. But they all work. All the interior lights are all LED.
Cool. Nice job.
Nice and bright. You can see the old headlights. You can't see. It was
can't
like holding
see.
a candle in front of your car.
You ain't kidding.
Now you got LEDs, and they were an OEM match from Headlight Experts. They look almost just like the originals, but they're LED.
Huh. Man, this car sounds so good. So they, when they rebuilt it, they bore it out or anything like that?
They did it 30 over, yes, they had to, because in '69,
Yeah.
the machinery was not good. It wasn't machined, it was oblong,
Yeah.
and they opened it up. And so it's actually a 445 cubic inch
Oh,
engine.
so it's probably got a
But
little
it's-
over 400 horse.
It's got about 410 horse now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
It's
then
a beast.
seated the seals, right?
Yes.
So you can use regular fuel.
Heated, right. They hardened seats, and they you could use 93. I wouldn't suggest you use anything lower than that.
Yeah.
It's a high performance engine.
Mhm.
You get the most power out of it.
Man, I love that TikTok talk. That's a nice ad.
Yeah.
Pretty.
She could have got that as an upgrade. A lady owned this car, the original owner. I met her.
Wow.
Very nice lady.
What happened?
Well, she got cancer, and she stored it in the garage for 26 years under a cover.
Wow.
That's why it stayed so well and preserved so well.
Very cool.
So,
Man, sounds so good. there too, which is pretty
Yeah, I
cool.
have a sound system. Nice, with a kicker in the back.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful sound system. You'll enjoy that too. I gotta listen to my Hendrix.
Who doesn't?
Gotta go back to the doors. Feels like I'm going back to 69.
Great.
Great memories of this car. I hope that somebody who buys it has the same memories.
I like the indicators on the dash too. Such a nice touch.
Yep.
My Cuda has them on the fenders.
Yeah.
Kind of a rare option.
Those hideaway headlights make it look so sinister.
Right? You're not kidding.
And this thing is a beast. She will go.
Sounds good.
Let me get to the next.
Yeah, not even a squeak in here.
Let me go this way.
My
No.
I have two Cudas and they rattle like you wouldn't believe.
Yeah. You get a little squeak here and there, but it's
I
nothing.
guess it's very original. That's why.
Yeah. It's 56 years old.
Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.